Welcome back to NT Coins World, the ultimate destination for all things numismatics. Today, we're diving deep into a fascinating piece of British coinage, the UK 2 pence 1975 coin. This coin is more than just currency. It's a reflection of British history, art, and culture. If you've ever wondered about the story behind this seemingly humble coin, you're in for a treat. So, grab your magnifying glasses and let's uncover every detail about this coin, from its historical background and design to its mintage errors and collector appeal. UK 2 pence 1975 coin. Historical context. The UK 2 pence coin was introduced in 1971 as part of the decimalisation process, replacing the pre-decimal system of pounds, shillings, and pence. This transformation marked a significant shift in the UK's monetary system, aligning it with other modern economies. The decimal 2 pence coin was part of a new family of coins designed to be more intuitive for both domestic and international trade. The 1975 2 pence coin belongs to the first series of 2 pence coins, minted between 1971 and 1981. During this period, these coins were struck in bronze and featured the new pence legend on the reverse. This legend was later replaced by 2 pence in 1982, making the earlier issues, including the 1975 coin, a unique and collectible series for enthusiasts. Design features. The design of the 1975 2 pence coin is iconic and steeped in British heraldry. Obverse. The obverse features the effigy of Queen Elizabeth II, created by Arnold Machin. This portrait was introduced in 1968 and is easily recognizable by the tiara worn by the Queen, known as the Girls of Great Britain and Ireland tiara. Around the portrait, the inscription reads, Elizabeth II D.D.A.D. 1975, which stands for Elizabeth II de Gratia Regina Fidei Defensatrix. This Latin phrase translates to Elizabeth II, by the grace of God, Queen, Defender of the Faith. Reverse. The reverse of the coin, designed by Christopher Ironside, features the badge of the Prince of Wales. This badge consists of 3 ostrich feathers encased in a coronet. Below the badge is a ribbon bearing the German motto Ich diene, meaning I serve. Surrounding the central design are the words new pence at the top and the numeral 2 at the bottom, indicating the denomination. The design elements of the 1975 2 pence coin reflect centuries of British royal symbolism, connecting the coin to the monarchy and national identity. Mintage and availability. The exact mintage figures for the 1975 2 pence coin are not explicitly available, as these coins were produced for general circulation rather than as a commemorative issue. However, it is known that millions of 2 pence coins were minted annually during this period, making the 1975 issue relatively common in circulation. Despite its high mintage, the 1975 coin holds interest for collectors because it is part of the new pence series, which ended in 1981. Coins from this era are increasingly sought after, as they represent a bygone phase of British coinage. Market value. The value of a 1975 2 pence coin depends largely on its condition. Circulated coins found in general circulation are typically worth their face value of 2. However, well-preserved examples may sell for a slight premium, especially if they exhibit minimal wear and retain their original luster. Uncirculated coins. An uncirculated 1975 2 pence coin, which has never been used in commerce, can fetch between PS0 and PS3. Proof coins. If you're fortunate enough to find a proof version from a collector's set, its value can rise to PS5 or more, depending on market demand. Errors and varieties. Error coins are a favorite among numismatists, and the 1975 2 pence coin is no exception. Some potential errors to look out for include off-center strikes. A misaligned strike can result in part of the design being cut off or appearing off-center. Die cracks. These occur when the die used to strike the coin develops cracks, leading to raised lines or marks on the coin surface. Double dies. A double die error occurs when a coin is struck twice with slightly misaligned dies, causing a doubling effect on the design or lettering. While these errors are rare, they can significantly increase the coin's value, with some fetching upwards of PS50 depending on the severity and uniqueness of the error. Collector interest. The 1975 2p coin is a staple in any collection of modern British decimal coinage. Collectors appreciate its historical significance as part of the early decimal series and its connection to the new pence legend. Over time, coins from this period have become increasingly sought after, especially in high grades. As more collectors seek to complete their sets of early decimal coins, the 1975 2p is poised to gain further recognition and value. And that wraps up our in-depth exploration of the UK 2p 1975 coin. From its historical roots to its design intricacies and collector appeal, this coin truly represents a fascinating chapter in British numismatics. Whether you're a seasoned collector or just starting out, the 1975 2p is a coin that deserves a spot in your collection. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to NT Coins World for more detailed coin analyses and numismatic insights. Let us know in the comments if you have this coin in your collection or if there's a specific coin you'd like us to cover next. Thanks for watching and happy collecting.